Hi, we would be talking about potential of e-procurement in construction industry now. As you see, a large number of construction professionals have seen that procurement is a critical factor in delivery of the project. And with explosion of internet and development of new various business models in the area of internet, it is natural that it will find an application in the area of procurement also. Discussing the purchasing and procurement process. This is the basic process of purchasing in a construction firm. So first you receive purchase request, then you identify the specifications, then you see the requirement, whether it is there or not, then you scout for suppliers, you obtain quotations, select the supplier, negotiate a price, and issue a purchase order. This basically is the procurement process. Also on site, as you see, there is a lot of a huge volume of information going back and forth. Thus, we see there is a tremendous value in simplifying and automating this process. Coming to the limitations of the traditional process, one of the major limitations is the working hours in the geographic region of a buyer and a supplier. The second major limitation is that there is a lot of physical information which is not useful and which is very redundant. There are opportunities for making a lot of errors, and as multiple departments keep copies, um, multiple departments involvement increases complexity. Overview of e-business in AEC industry. As we see in architecture and engineering industry, 60 to 80% of the total operation cost goes towards information management. Thus, most of the businesses, though, is now being managed by computer networks. Using computer increases the reliability, decreases the capital cost, has been seen as decreasing the construction time. Thus, it has a very positive effect. Now, discussing e-procurement in this industry, we see that every step of procurement process has been affected by computers and IT. And the search for desired products and is one of the main activities that has been made much easier through electronic procurement platforms. The information flow has also improved due to various e-business tools, such as, and there is more than just transferring of information. The online payment facility has also had a deep impact. Now, the new developments are building upon this existing scenario of e-procurement. The development in the area of e-procurement is happening at a rapid pace, and innovations are being imbibed into e-procurement process through various fields. We will discuss three major e-procurement tools over here: software as service, reverse auctioning, and linking BIM to procurement. Now, SaaS is an IT industry tool that has been employed in e-procurement. Reverse auctioning is a negotiation tool, while linking BIM is sort of a process rather than a tool, but still we'll consider that. Discussing software as a service, SaaS allows us to access softwares via cloud-based computer system. The major upside is that it allows you to only pay for what you need to use. It eliminates the requirement to purchase hardware, and it does not become a burden on your IT team. And procurement team only needs to evaluate the data rather than collecting and assembling it, thus increasing their productivity. These are the various software as service providers currently in market. We will be discussing e-buyer assist right now. So as you see, this is the interface of the tool, and there are a lot of things that this tool can do, such as purchase order management and keeping a database of terms and conditions, approval chains, managing audits and compliances, and it can also be used on a phone. Coming to reverse auctioning basically is made possible through connecting multiple suppliers to a buyer in real time. And this e-procurement opens up possibility for better negotiation techniques. In this, bidders obtain contract documents electronically, they submit a price. Now there is a fixed window of time wherein another bidder, if he or she wants, can submit a lower price, and after the window is closed, the lowest price that has encountered is given the contract. In reverse auctioning, uh, the savings that are obtained through reverse auctioning are quite a lot, as you can see uh, through through some data from safe source. Now linking BIM to procurement, the mapping capacity of BIM is crucial for e-procurement, and we need to for e-procurement we need to organize the elementary BIM objects into aggregates for tendering and procurement. Uh, this is the generic framework which uses the computational independent model, and this is the process of gaining a tender from this framework. So as it is a service oriented model, you ask for services from that model and it finds the appropriate tool to serve you and gives you what you want. Here you can get a tender as required. The barriers facing e-procurement industry are that there are lack of real-time examples, there's a lack of expertise, there's a lack of clarity, there's a lack of infrastructure, and there's a lack of regulations. Um, Thus, we can see e-procurement is very promising, but its implementation has numerous challenges. The standardization and legality are some of the major obstacles. However, cost saving and quality improvement is undisputable. Thus, the next step would be to produce real-life examples that would boost this procurement strategy. And with rapid rate of innovation, one can expect e-procurement to become a norm very soon.